In this video, we are going to show you how to set up backup queues for a queue within Cordic Admin. Open the queue you want to set up to bring up its queue properties box, then click the Dispatch Queue Order tab. First, set up your backup queues. These are the queues the system looks in for a car when there are no free cars in the main queue. Set them in the order you want them searched. Normally, the queue itself sits at the top of its own list, so the system always looks in the queue the job is in first, then works down through the backups. You can move the main queue down the list if you would rather the system looked elsewhere first. Once your backup queues are set, click the Method button. This brings up a box with two grids. The top grid, Select Queue Dispatch Method, is how the system picks a car from the main queue, the queue the job is already in. The bottom grid, Select Queue Backup Method, is the one we are going to use. This is how the system picks a car from your backups, and it only comes into play when there are no free cars in the main queue. Within this, you can use two options. Search backups in order. This works through your backup queues in the order you set and takes a car from the first one that has a free car. Then closest cab in all backups. This looks across all of your backup queues at once and sends the nearest car. Each box in the grid is an hour block, so you can run different methods at different times of the day. For example, to switch at 5 o'clock on a Tuesday, set the boxes up to 16 as one method and 17 onwards as the other. You might run closest cab in all backups through a busy evening for fast pickups, then search backups in order when it quietens down. On this same box, you will also find the option Dispatch to last on driver when used as a backup. When this queue is used as a backup for another queue, the system would normally pull the longest waiting driver. Tick this option to pull the driver at the back of the queue instead. When you are happy, click OK to close the box. When you have finished setting up the rest of your queues, click OK, then apply your design changes to save. You should now be able to set up your backup queues. If you are still having issues, please call or email support as appropriate to your support contract.